Welcome everybody to the Help Industries channel. And today we're going to look at the best crypto exchanges for passive income. We're going to look at Nexo, Voyager, Coinbase, and Kraken. So let's start with Nexo. You can stake Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, all your top 10 coins. You can earn daily interest from 5 up to 12% depending on the coin selected, the length of the term, and the loyalty level. You can start as a base member, silver, gold, or platinum. Your Nexo tokens must be in portfolio in order to earn interest. And again, when coins fluctuate in price, which they do every day, the portfolio of coins could require a top-up for coins in order to maintain certain loyalty levels. I don't like this. With all the volatility in the crypto world, you could be a platinum one day and then the next day you're back down to gold, and then you're just going, hey, wait a minute, do I have to top this off and get more coins in here and get back to platinum? So again, I don't like that. The good news is their vault is insured up to 150 million in digital assets, so that's a great thing to have and know. I personally do. I'm not a financial advisor. I am using Nexo for my long-term Bitcoin holdings. I am at a platinum level and I am getting 6% interest. So that's about the highest out there that I have found between these four that we're looking at today or others. The next app we're looking at is Voyager. You can earn interest without staking. That's very key, without staking, on all your majors: Bitcoin, Ether, ADA, Doge, USDC, Uni, Link, DOT, Matic, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic. So a lot of your top coins you can earn interest without staking, which is for a beginner or a long-term investor. You don't have to stake. You know, if you're a day trader or if you trade frequently, you don't have to worry about it being locked up for a month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever. So that's good, very good to know. You can earn interest from 1.5% to 9% depending on the coin selected. Now, the key here for Voyager, you have to maintain some monthly averages depending on the coin you're with. If you want to just get started and earn 9% interest, just put in $100. Again, you can't find that anywhere, 9%. Savings account, no checking account. You can't even hardly make that in the stock market anymore. Polkadot, 12% interest. Now you do have to have a minimum of 20 DOT, so that is a key. If you're just starting out, you don't have that kind of money. Ethereum, 4.6% interest for a minimum of 0.5, and Bitcoin, 5.75 interest with a minimum of 0.01. USDC is insured up to 250K. That is good to know. Again, this is a good exchange to get started, Voyager, with little to no money. Again, just stick it in USDC if you're just starting out with $100. Start getting some interest. Use some of those savings maybe to invest in other coins. Let's look at Coinbase. Coinbase is a good app, especially for beginners. You really can just start with any amount and you can earn interest without staking on USDC, Cosmos, Texos, and DAI. So their interest rates aren't as high. Their range is 0.15% up to 5% depending on the coin selected. There's no regular monthly averages to be maintained to earn interest. And you can see the range here, starting with Cosmos, 5% APY. They do offer Ethereum too. There is a wait list to get on Ethereum 2. And the balances will be locked until ETH2 is launched. That's pretty common anywhere you stake Ethereum these days. They're offering a pretty good rate of 5%, so go ahead and click on the wait list. Usually it takes a month or two to get on, so that's not bad. Texos, 4.63, Alcoran, it was 6%, now they've dropped that back down to 4%. DAI 2%, USDC 0.15. That's, you can get that in a savings account. The good news is Coinbase is insured against theft and hacking in the amount that exceeds the average value of Bitcoin that they hold in their online storage at any given time. Let's look at Kraken. You can earn interest on 13 digital assets. Their interest range from 4.6 up to 12, depending on the coin. Again, Polkadot, 12%. Very good interest rates, and they're still very attractive in their price. Kusama, 12%. Again, a good one to invest in. ADA fluctuates between 4 and 6%, as well as Flow. Here, ETH2, you can stake and range 5 to 7% interest. I am staking some long-term Ethereum holdings with Kraken. Not a lot, but something that I've been holding for a couple years. And as you can see, the rest of these. So very good interest rates. The one downfall with Kraken is they're not insured. So that is one thing you need to keep in mind when you invest or you want to earn interest with Kraken on their platform. So recommendations. I would recommend utilizing Voyager if you're a long-term investor or a beginner. Again, if you're a beginner and you don't have the capital to stake, say, Bitcoin or Ethereum, you know, the 0.01 and the 0.5, then I would start with Coinbase because there's no minimums and you can get decent interest on some stable coins on their platform. With Voyager, there's no staking required, but there are minimum holdings required. We went through that previously. You can earn interest up to 12% depending on the coin selected. And again, start off with USDC. It's at $1. It's always going to be $1. It's a minimum of $100 and you earn 9%. You can't beat that anywhere, nowhere, no how. As well as Polkadot, 12% interest with a minimum 20 DOT. That'd take you a few $100 at the time of this airing. But again, built up to that, you know, if you're a beginner. And for those Ethereum and Bitcoin holders, or if you're just starting out, start buying your Ethereum and Bitcoin and then start earning interest passively. If you're going to be a long-term holder anyway, why not get these interest rates? You can't beat it. And again, USDC is insured up to 250K, so that is very nice to know. How do I get started? Well, for Voyager, download the Voyager app, put that $100 in there, and you're going to get $25 of free Bitcoin. I would appreciate it if you could use my code and this link below to claim your Bitcoin and to get started for Voyager. So just go to this link, click on this link down below, and get started. If you're in Coinbase, if you want to get going with that, you're an investor, you're a beginner, and you want to start out with $100 and that's it, say $50, go ahead and click on the Coinbase link below. Get started, throw that in, get you some free Coinbase when you get going. Just to get started, you'll get like $30 from Coinbase. and just you can just keep going from there and earn interest as you go. So again, get involved with digital assets. That's the wave of the future. I highly recommend getting going with Voyager or Coinbase to get started with practically little or no money involved. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time here at the Help Industries channel.